Welcome! This tutorial is designed to introduce you to the quick article search functionality available in Science of Synthesis. Using this functionality, you should be able to take any citation referring to Science of Synthesis and access the appropriate content quickly. First of all, let us take a look at how to search within the 48 Science of Synthesis volumes for an SOS article. Let us take an example reference for SOS from an external database. The reference is to an article written by Faulkner and co-authors. Go to the text search field on the Query tab and do a search for the author by typing in author colon. Then type in the author's surname, for example Faulkner. Please do not insert a space after the colon when using a search operator, otherwise no suggestion list will appear. Choose the Faulkner entry from the drop-down menu. Now press space and you will see a list of possible combination options in the suggestion list. Choose volume colon and type in the volume number, in this case 14. Press space again to see the list of possible combinations. Choose the page operator and enter the page number, in this case 771. Click on the Submit button to carry out the search. A list of hits appear on the results page, all related to the article concerned. Select product class 8, thiopyranones and thiopyranthiones to go to the full text directly. This type of search could also be limited to the volume number and page number if necessary. For example, let's take another reference, this time to Gyri and co-authors. Again on the Query tab, go to the text search field and type in the search operator volume colon, followed by the volume number, in this case 5. Press the space button and a list of possible combination operators appear. Choose page colon and type in the relevant page number, in this case 703. Press the Submit button to carry out the search and the article appears on the results page. Now let's take a look at how to search within the Science of Synthesis reference library and update volumes for an SOS article. For example, if you are searching for the Akiyama article in asymmetric organocatalysis, then a simple search for the author will suffice using the author operator. This gives a list of relevant results on the results page. Another example would be to use a combination of the year and author operators. Taking the reference to the following article as an example, Takasu from Multi-Component Reactions in Science of Synthesis. Type in the year 2013 and press space. Choose the author operator to combine with the year operator. Type in the author name and select it. Press Submit to carry out the search. The relevant article is displayed on the results page, and you can click through to the full text. Finally, let's take a look at an example from the Science of Synthesis Update series, and this time an article written by Fuchibi and Ishikawa, which was published in the Science of Synthesis Knowledge Updates in 2014. First of all, choose the Query tab and then type the year operator in the text search field. Type 2014. Then press the space button and choose the author operator from the drop-down list and type the author name in the text box. Press Submit to carry out the search. The relevant article and sections are displayed on the results page.